Our next low glycemic meal is actually going to be salmon with rice and lentils and a side spinach salad. Now, protein doesn't have any kind of glycemic index. It's actually separate. So when you're looking at a protein, the things that you're looking for is something that's low in fat and something that's going to nourish the body. Salmon has good omega-3s, and if you're not eating salmon 3 to 5 times a week, then you should be supplementing with a really high-quality omega-3 supplement. Now, again, rice, high glycemic, but beans bring down that glycemic index to medium to low, depending on how much you have in there. So we have a little rice and beans. Get a good little salad going here. You got some spinach. You could add some tomato. And if you want to add a little bit of dressing, you can also add a little bit of dressing. I'm not a person who says that you can't have any dressing. It's just all in moderation. If you're eating really healthy, a little bit of dressing isn't going to hurt you. The one thing that I do look for in dressing, though, is actually high fructose corn syrup, which is sugar, just a different name for it, which is not good for you. Add a little bit of that. We have ourselves a little salad, some rice, and some salmon. It's a great meal. It's low glycemic, and you'll feel good at the end of the night. You don't feel stuffed. You feel pretty good.